About the false utterances, the lies and falsehood by Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa, he says no one will be allowed to destroy heritage of our country. How can you talk about the heritage of the country in your family? Your wife is a Roman Catholic, like a model, fashion model, right? And then how can you talk about heritage when you don't have heritage in your family for your wife and your children? Can you talk about protecting the heritage in the country? Because especially in Sri Lanka, the Miss Sri Lanka contestants are all, we know the type of people who get into the Miss Sri Lanka contestant are not the type of moral character that I don't want to discuss further. But the thing is that there's a 131st National Archaeological Celebrations at Temple Street, attended only by I think about 4 monks and one lady. They have issued to the new website they have launched. Of course, these are normal things done to mislead the technologically English language improficient Buddhist monk community. And accordingly, the Prime Minister has given certificates to Mr. Aludgedara, for their service to the Department of Archaeology for generations. Well, okay. Then awards were given to others, and then souvenirs. Okay. Then they must go to Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa says COVID pandemic and the forefathers, legacy of our forefathers, and epidemic today. And if not for the epidemic, the hundreds of tourists would have Sri Lanka for archaeological and beauty heritage tourism, and then because of the COVID-19 only, all these things happen. So then that is why there is a government to handle unforeseen uncertainties. And then the thing is, the Sri Lanka's Sinhala Buddhist people and the Buddhist monks must not be misled like this by those prime ministers like Mahinda Rajapaksa, whose wife and the children really shows that they don't have a heritage here. So, you can truthfully say something, be that if he is truthful, I agree. No one will be allowed to destroy our heritage of our country prime minister. But then just saying that by example and actions speak louder than words, his action proves otherwise, right? With regard to his family, his children, the way they were brought up, how they did things in life. So these falsehoods must not be uttered to mislead the Sinhala Buddhist majority and also the Buddhist, the clergy, because it is the Buddhism that is the way forward to the terrestrial life exploration. And if these false utterances are done, that may hinder the future universal multiverse exploration, teleportation details.